Hello everybody, this is a quick review and operation demonstration of a Ryobi P3180 propane heater. This heater's been discontinued by Ryobi, but I picked a couple of these up recently. So as you can see, it's relatively small. It has a 15,000 BTU output. It uses the standard 1 pound propane cylinders that you would use like in a propane lantern or a little propane torch. It does have a fan that blows the hot air out of it, and the fan can be operated either from an AC outlet, so you could just plug an extension cord into it right there, or you can use a Ryobi 18-volt battery. So here's the battery. I'll demonstrate with the battery in it. Battery pops right in like that. And the battery I'm using is a 4 amp hour battery, but I think you can use any Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt battery. Any capacity, of course. The bigger the capacity, the longer the fan will run. My understanding is a 1 pound propane bottle will run these for about an hour and a half. And you could also use a barbecue grill propane tank, a 20 pound tank, if you have the appropriate adapter to hook up to this. But if you want to carry this around, make it portable, and you don't need to heat for very long, this 1 pound propane tank will run it for about an hour and a half. The operation's really simple. You just go to the on-off button, press the on button. You can hear the fan kick on there, and the igniter. When you hold this button in until the green light stops flashing. Green light stopped flashing. You can still hear the igniter. Now the igniter stopped. There, I think you can see it, the blue flame in there. It puts out a lot of heat. I mean, if I hold, it's not quite fully heated up yet, but I can't hardly hold my hand right there. If you do get these without the battery and the charger, these batteries and charger are readily available. I just bought this one on eBay for about $50. The charger with the 4 amp hour battery, brand new, on eBay for about $50. So if you do need a highly portable heater to heat small enclosed spaces, this is a great option. You can't use this in a fully enclosed space. You wouldn't want to use it indoors, like in a bedroom or in a tent or something like that. If you're backpacking, all the safety information's right here, so you'd need to read through all that before you started using this. But again, it's a great little device. Ryobi doesn't sell them anymore for some reason. Not sure why, but anyway, I got one of them and it works great. So thanks for watching.